Hey, it's Joseph here. Today I've got this box received from GravaStar. They have sent me this product for me to do a coverage on this product. It is Delta35. So let's check it out. On the box, on the front, as I have described, we've got the logo of GravaStar Delta35, 35 watt gallium nitride fast charger, and the charger itself looks somewhat like this, made for tablet, phones, and more. Power delivery 3.0, fast charging, and safety, intelligent security protection, and 35 watts, and 2 USB Type-C ports. Going around the side, some words written on there, and as always they are doing this mecha theme, which is kind of robotic and Japanese anime style. And on the back it describes a couple more things. Delta35 is their 35 watt gallium nitride fast charger, and features are sort of written out here that I already described. All right, without further ado, let's unbox it by just pulling this out. By the way, I have showcased another charger of theirs, which was sitting back there, and I really liked this product. I don't use it all that often because I think it is such a display piece, but I really like the product and what they were going for, so expecting a similar thing. And we've got some paper that has user manual. I don't think it's going to be all that complicated, but I'll note that if you were to use the single port, then you can have up to 35 watts of charging, whereas if you were to use both of the ports, then you're going to be resorted to 12 watts each on the ports. I guess here's an imprint of this character or the unit. Pull it out like that. So it is in comparison much smaller, but it's got the arms that you can kind of fold and rotate, and also this ear looking thing rotates as well. I do not think they serve any purpose, but it is cute regardless. So similar fashion, on top you've got 2 USB Type-C ports. I suppose the eyes will light up as soon as you plug this thing in, and I really like the fact that it's got foldable prong, so you can just unfold it to have it plug into your port. And on the back, nothing fancy back here. You got this sort of designs and GravaStar written on there. So again, going with this mecha theme, and it is pretty well implemented. In terms of size, it's not that big. It's 35 watts, kind of rectangular shape with these things sort of sticking out. So functionality point of view, they just don't really serve any purpose, but in terms of aesthetics, it looks quite cute. So I've got this extension cable, which I'm gonna plug this into, unfold this plug, and then basically plug it in. And as soon as you do that, you can see the eyes will light up, and it is being powered on now. So with 35 watts of charging, I know it is not really enough to charge my laptop, but it can charge all other devices basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone with this USB-C to USB-C cable. So there you go, the phone is charging. And same thing with a tablet. In this case is an iPad. So it's a simple operation, both of the devices being charged. So yeah, I can just charge up to 2 different devices. And I'm gonna use this cable over here to verify what kind of power that this device is pushing. I reckon it will be up to 35 watts, but the iPad is actually charged up to 100%, so it would not be able to push out of this cable or the charger at the moment. And for something as big as laptop, it would still not really draw much because this laptop is not even on. But once you turn it on, it's going to try to draw more power, and you can see that it's going up to 32 watt, 24 watt. So it is capable of charging my laptop, but it is going to charge at a very slower rate because it only goes up to 35 watt. However, yeah, it is pushing up to 32 watt is what I can see on the cable. And yeah, I confirm. All right, so we were quickly checking out this Delta35 from GravaStar, and it's a cute little charger that is capable and providing two USB Type-C ports for your devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.